Your buddies. It's my hope that you are doing well. So, guys, the weekend is over. And yeah. So let's check what's there in the markets. Let's check on a few things. So first, let's start with the let's start with the mhm, where is it? Gram to community. Then we go to sentiment. We're going to check on sentimental analysis first. So we come to Euro USD. So as you can see for Euro USD, you can see 29% of traders are on sells while 71 are on buy. So in this case, you're going to join the 29%. Let's check on the pound. For GBP USD, you can see sales are 57% while buys are 43%. With this kind of data, there's a probability that we are going to have consolidation on the pair. So let's check on gold. The rest you can check on them. You can check on the rest. So where is it? Gold XAUUSD. So for gold, you can see shorts are 46%, while longs are 54%. So in this case, we are in with sales. 18% of traders are currently trading gold. Okay. Silver, you can see the same. That is 7% are on sales, while 63% are on buy. So in this case, you are going to be join the minority. So that is it. That is it on the on sentimental analysis. Let's have a quick look on um, fundamental analysis. Let's have a quick look on fundamental analysis. A very quick look on fundamental analysis. So you go to calendar. We go to calendar. So tomorrow is on Monday. And you can see on CHF we are going to have a bank holiday. On Euro we will have a bank holiday both in France and in Germany. On the pound we are going to have a bank holiday. In the US we are going to have a bank holiday as well. Then we have the alloy impact news in Canada. The corporate profits, that is quarter to quarter. On Tuesday we are going to have on Tuesday I don't see any major news. You can see there. On Wednesday you can see on Austria we're going to have CPI, that is month over month. And you can see here we have the data out. That is the forecast is expected to be at 0.6. Previous was at 1.1, so they are expecting a drop. I don't know, I've not been following up with the economy. So if you follow up with the economy, you can use the data you have from the employment data. So that is it on that. At 5 a.m. we are going to have the interest rates report on New Zealand dollar. And there's high probability that we are going to have a rate pause on that. In this case, you can see it's at 2.25%. So that will be at 5 a.m. In New Zealand. And that's it for Wednesday. So going to Thursday. The most important news we have here is the core PCE. PCE stands for personal consumption expenditure. That will be on the US. You can see previous was at 0.3%. Expectation this time is 0.3. But I personally can expect it to increase a little bit. So I can expect an actual greater than that will lead us to a bullish dollar index. So we are going to have the GDP prelim, GDP quarter to quarter, that is QQ on the US. And as well, we will have the weekly unemployment claims. You can see with the previous week we had the outcome was at 209,000, so I can expect it to be less. And then here comes the last day of the week, that is on Friday now. Here comes the last day of the week, that is Friday. And on Friday, the major news we are going to be having is in the UK, Bales, that is the governor to the Bank of England, will be giving a speech at 11:20 a.m. And then later at 3:30 p.m., we are going to have Canadian GDP, that is month over month. And that is it for the economic calendar. That is it on the economic calendar this week. So let's move fast and check on the technical analysis part.